What's the deal?
A guy by the name of Fletcher Ramsey sold me his soul so he could be the ultimate street racer. Only problem was that this guy could not drive at all. So I had to improvise a little. Instead of giving him skills, well, you'll see.
Right, on my way.
Just want to buy BMWs and hot-ass wheelers. Let's talk to one of the protesters now. What's your name?
Hey, Ronnie, I'm Sandy. I'm like your hugest fan ever.
Yeah, idolatry is for the weak. Why are you protesting?
Hey, Jay. Nice wheels. You hitting the streets tonight?
Maybe. Doesn't look like my opponent is showing up.
Oh, is it Fletch? Yeah, he always shows up right at the last second. I wouldn't bother waiting if I was you. No one's ever beaten him.
I'll beat him.
You sound pretty confident. Mind if I ride along so I can see you in action?
What the hell? Get in.
Here he is.
Hey, where's he going?
Oh, he never stops.
And how does he get his winnings?
He doesn't care about them. He just drives and drives. Hey, what are you doing?
Putting the brakes on this guy.
Why are you chasing him? Does he owe you money? Oh, wow. Whoa! You're gaining on him. Whoa! All right.
There you are!
Hey, what are you doing? Leave him alone.
Don't worry, doll. I can deal with this.
Ew. I'm not your doll, Fletch.
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to her. Love of my life. Light of my loins. I may have sold my soul to win, but I ended up getting the greatest gift of all. My beauty. My baby. And I won't let you take her away from me. Come on, babe. Drive us home.
What the fuck is going on here?
I'm gonna need you to drive.
What are you gonna do?
Aside from left.
You're hurting her! You can't catch me! You're hurting her!
doesn't know when to quit.
No! No!
You better get out of here. I don't want you to see what happens next.
Whatever, dude. I'm over this bullshit.
She's dead! Dead! Oh, take my soul! I don't care anymore!
Sorry, Fletch. But those are the breaks when you deal with the devil.